Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Mr. Islam Yusuf. Today, inshallah, we're to listen today about how to read and write the number. But before we start how to read and write the number, we have three forms to write the number. So our lesson today about read and write the numbers. So we need to read and write the large number. So how we can read them? At the first, to read the number, we need to divide the number into periods. So number one, to read the number, we need to divide into periods. So that is the first period, the second period. Until now, all what we have, only three periods. And that is the fourth one. The first period that we have defined by ones. And the second defined by 1,000. The third by million. So number one, to read the number, you need to divide it into periods. Between any two periods, put comma. Each period is formed from 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So the first digit that we have here, which is ones. The second, tens. The third, hundreds. Again, we have ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundred. So the place value of the first digit is ones place. The second is tens place. The third is hundred place. For the second family, the ones place is the name of its period. The ones place is the name of its period. So the number which lies at the ones here is called 1,000. It's called 1,000. Its place is 1,000. The second digit lies at the tens, in which period? In 1,000 period. So its place value will be 10,000. 10,000. The third number here will be 100, in which period? In 1,000 period. So it will be 100,000. This number, this digit in ones, in which family or in which period? In million. So it will be, the place value for the first one is million. And the second one is 10 million. The third will be 100 million. So how we can read the number? To read the number, as we said before, we need to divide it into groups. So that is the first group, and that is the second one, and that is the third one. Each group is formed from 3 digits. Each group is formed from 3 digits. Each digit, the first one is ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, and hundred. How to write the number? We have 3 forms to write the number. To write the number, we have 3 forms. The first one is called standard form. What is the standard form? The standard form, that is the form that we use the digit to write the number. For example, if I need to write this number, so I can write 523. If I need to write this number by using the digits, so this form is called standard form. The second form that we have, which is the word form. What is the word form? That we use the words to write the number. So how we can use the words? How you read this number? It's 523. So I will use the words. Instead of using numbers, I will write 523. The third form, which is the expanded form. What is the expanded form? By using the value of each digit. The expanded form is the sum of the value of each digit, which is the value for the first one. We say we have 5 and 100, so its value is 500, plus the value of 2 is 20, so it will be plus 20. The value of 3 is 3. Again, for this one, we have 3 forms to write the number. The first form, which is the standard form. That is the standard form. What is the standard form? That we use the digit to write the number. We use the digit to write the number. The second one, which is the word form. What is the word form? That we use the words to write the number. And the third digit, the third form, which is the expanded form. What is the expanded form? That we use the value of each number to write the number. If you have any problem for this one, please raise your hand. We will not use the book until now. I'm not using the book. I just explain this part. If you didn't understand this part, please raise your hands. If you didn't understand this part, please raise your hands. If you didn't understand how we write this one, please raise your hand. So, Muhammad Asim. Muhammad Asim, what's the problem in this one? Muhammad Asim. Okay. Muhammad Bashar. Muhammad Bashar, you can speak now? Abdurrahman, what's the problem? What
Yeah,
is the thing
like,
that you do?
what is the to write the
Sorry?
what is the what is the HTO like HTO like in the numbers?
O, which is the
Million.
ones place. T is the tens place.
Huh?
H for 100 place. So we have ones. Each family,
Okay.
each period, it's formed from 3 digits. Each digit of them, one of them is called ones in order from right to left. Ones. The next one is tens. The third one is hundreds. Ones, tens, and hundreds. Ones, tens, and hundred. Ones is the name of its period. Ones is the name of the period. So the first one here, the first period is ones, so the first place value here is called ones. The second period here is 1,000, so instead of ones here, it's called 1,000. The period here is called million, so once here is called million.
Okay.
So T now for the second one is called 10,000, 100,000, 10 million, 100 million. Is that clear now? Any question?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay.
Yeah.
So who else want to ask? Muhammad Asim. Muhammad Asim. What's your question?
Sir, I was asking that I didn't understand the.
Please turn off the TV, please. Turn off the TV. Switch off the TV, please. You are in a session now, so please switch off the AC. Switch off the TV. And Muhammad Asim, you can speak now. You can speak?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I was saying that I didn't understand the standard form, the word form, and the expanded form.
Okay.
I didn't understand it properly.
Okay. So to write the number, we can use 3 ways to write any number. What are the three ways that we can use to write the number? To go in any place, you have many ways to go. To write the number, we have three ways. The first way is called standard form. What is the standard form? If I need to write 23, so by this way, 23, this way is called standard form because you use the numbers. Use number 2 and number 3. You put all of them together and they form a new number, which is 23. So this one is called a standard form. If you replace the number with words like 23, you represent the same number, is that right? Is there any difference between 23, the first one, and the 23, the second one? Or they are equal? If there is a price, the price now for one item, so the price of the pencil. The price of the pencil, if I write the price of the pencil is 23 by this way. Or I write the price of the pencil 23 by this way. Is there any difference between them?
No.
No. The first way is called standard form. The second form is called word form. They are the same, but we write it in different way. You understand
so
it?
now I understand. Like standard form is written in numbers.
In digit,
and,
numbers.
And,
in word form and written in words.
Words. And then
what is the expanded form? What is the value of 3 now? It's a value.
It's ones.
It's a place value, it's ones.
One.
So its a value is, no, its a value is 3. No, its a value is 3.
3. Yeah, 3.
Yes. What is the value of 2?
Value of 2 is in tens.
So it's a 2 in tens, it will be?
20.
20. So I will write 20 plus 3. What is the answer for 20 plus 3?
23.
It's give you the same answer?
Yeah.
So they are the same. So if you write it in this way, 20 plus 3, this called is expanded form. So if I just combine the two numbers together, it's called a standard form. If I replace the digit and put words, it's called word form. If I remove all of them and put the value of each digit, it's called expanded form. You understand the difference now between them?
Yes.
Do you have any question?
No.
Okay.
Thank
Anyone?
you.
Welcome. If you didn't understand, please raise your hand. If you didn't understand, please raise your hands. Any problem? Okay. So now open your book. Yusuf, just a minute. What is the problem, Yusuf? What are the things that you didn't understand?
What's at blue? That you write it at blue.
Which blue?
Um.
I wrote a lot of things with blue.
Yeah, all of it.
All of it?
Yeah.
Which part? The first part? The second part?
What is at ones and thousands and millions?
That is the place value of each digit. The place value of each digit. Ones is the ones. Ones is the place value of the digit. This slice, it's a place, it's called ones. This place is called tens. This place is called hundreds. That's all.
Okay.
Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Okay. If you have any question, please raise your hand. Taha, what is the question? What is the question, Taha?
No, I didn't understand.
Which part that you didn't understand it? Which part?
The first part.
What is the first part? The first part is for the last lesson, for the lesson for yesterday, not for today. That's no new part. The first part here, I just revised the place value and the value. I didn't say anything new. That's for the last, the previous lesson, and I repeated 4 times now. Okay, Anis. Anis, what's your question? Anis, what's your question?
Yes.
What's your question?
So you mean standard form is the numbers and word form is you write it with letters? Okay.
What is the question?
Okay. question is that what page are we gonna read?
So if you have any question in this part, just inform me. Raise your hand. Do you have any question? Do you have any question for this part? Okay. So now open your book. Volume 1, page 17. Page 17. Page 17. Open your book, please. Open your book, please. Malik. Malik.
I don't have the book.
Open your book, page 17. Muhammad Asim.
I did it, sir. I only opened it. I just raised my hand so that I opened it.
Okay. So we will start solving. That's with the 3 ways, as we said now, the 3 ways to write the number, which is the first way, which is defined by the standard form, the second way, which is the expanded form, the third way, which is the word form. Just wait, I opened it for Taki. 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 Taki.
Yes,
Can you hear me?
teacher.
What's your name?
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Taki.
What's your
My name is
name?
Taki.
What's your name?
Mr. Taki Hajuta.
Again, you repeat again. So the next time you will be removed. The next time you will be removed. Change your name now. The next time you will not enter my class with this name. Okay. Page 18. Open your book, page 18. Page 18. So solve with me now. We need to write the number in expanded form. Question number 3. If you know the answer, please raise your hand. If you know the answer, please raise your hand. Page 18. Page 18. If you know the answer, please raise your hands. We need to write the number in expanded form, then in word form. Ahmed Raza? Ahmed Raza?
Yes.
What is the answer for the first one?
Okay. Which one? Question 3.
Question number 3.
400,000 plus 90,000 plus 0.
So the first one, it will be the expanded form now. The value of 4 is 400,000.
400,000
Plus
plus 90,000
90,000. Plus,
plus 0.
no. What about 2?
Plus 2,000
2,000. Plus,
plus 0.
we will not write 0 because the value of 0 at any place equals 0. So I will not write it.
Plus
I
30.
just skip. So it will be plus 30. Okay.
Plus 2.
Plus 2. Excellent. So I need another one. If you know the answer, please raise your hands
Word.
to write the answer in word form. If you know the answer in word form, please raise your hands. If you know the answer in word form, please raise your hands. I need another one. Another one. Ali. Ali Osman. Ali Osman, I need the number in word form.
Okay. Teacher, which number? I already finished page 18.
I'm solving now in page 18. That's what I can solve. So I need the answer in word form.
Oh, it's 3,028,000
I'm solving question number 3.
492,032.
492.
92,032. 90, not 19.
90.
Yeah, that's what I said.
92,000
And 32.
and 32. Okay. For the next question, who can solve this one? The next question. Ahmed Raza?
Yes.
We need to write this number. So you solve the first one for the expanded form. I need you to solve the word form for this one.
Okay. 3 million.
Hmm.
3 million. 28,000
28,000
and 2. 1,002.
and 2. Okay. I need another one to solve this question in expanded form. Who can solve this question in expanded form? Muhammad Bashawi? I need another one. Muhammad Bashawi, can you solve this one?
Hello?
Okay. Solve this one in expanded form.
Teacher, I want to write this one up, okay? And then I will answer.
No, answer at the first, then you can write.
3 million.
Yes?
3 million.
Plus? What is the value of 2?
2,000.
No, 2 in which place? 2 in which place?
In the tens.
And the 10,000, not tens. And 10,000.
10,000.
So 2 in 10,000 will be? 2 in 10,000 will be?
2 or 10.
2 in 10,000 will be? 2 in 10,000. Who can solve this one? Who can solve this one? I need another one. Ayat, can you solve this one with me? Anis. Okay.
3,028,002.
No, I need the expanded form. The expanded form.
28,002.
No. The expanded form, the value of each digit. What is the value of 2?
Oh,
what is
okay.
the value of 8?
Okay, 3,020,000
Plus 20,000
8,000
plus 8,000
and 2.
plus 2. Okay, thanks. If you didn't finish writing, please write this page. If you finish writing, raise your hands up so I can move to the next page. If you finish writing this one, please raise your hands up. Right. We need to write each of the following numbers in standard form. How we can write the number in standard form? So at the first, read the number. We have 25,408. 25,408. So the grace period that we have, which is 1,000. So we have how many periods that we have? We have 1,000. It means we have ones. So each period is formed from 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So what is the number that will be written in thousand place? What is the number will be written in thousand place? So we have 25. That's 25. We have 5 in ones, 2 in tens, and there is no number in hundreds. So we will write 5 here and 2. Then we have 408. 408. It will be written in the ones period. 408. Again for this one. I just look at the first set that we have, the Greek set that we have, or the Greek period that we have, which is 1000. So all what I have to do, I just divide the number into 2 periods. The first one is the 1000 period, and the second one is the ones period. Each period is formed from 3 digits. So we have the first period, which is 25. So I write 25. But there is nothing in 100, because I have only 25. The next family, or the next period, which is 408. So I will write 408 in ones period. Any problem for this one? If you didn't understand the first one, please raise your hands. If you didn't understand the first one, raise your hands. If you didn't understand how we write the number from the word to standard form, please raise your hand. Okay. Who can solve number 6 with me? Who can solve? Okay. Raza? Raza, can you solve this one with me? Number 6?
Okay. 40,000.
40,000. It's mean how many periods that we have? We have 2 periods.
40.
1, 2, 3. Then we have 1, 2, 3. What should I write here? Then what should I write here?
Okay. You should write in the 10,000 place 4.
4. Yes.
1,000 place 0.
0. Yes.
And then 8.
And 100.
8 in the 100 place.
And we have after that 11.
1, 1.
1, 1. Thanks. So we have the next one. Maher. Maher,
Yes.
can you solve number 7?
761,356.
Yes. So we have now, because we have the 1000 period, so we have 2 periods. That's the first one, 1000, and that is the second one, which is ones. So we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So at the first, read the number in 1000. What is this number?
761.
So how can I write 761? Just give me the digit in order.
Like,
Give me the, when I say 325, so I will write 3, then 2, then 5. You got the idea? When I say 300, 25. So I will write 3, then 2, then 5. Now I have 761. What should I write here?
761.
Yes, 761. It will be written in 1000 place. So I will write 761. What should I write here? The next family, or the next period. 356.
356.
So it will be
356.
356. It will be written in the ones place. 356. Okay. Thanks. So we need the next one. Yahya. Yeah, Yahya. Yahya.
Yes.
Can you solve number 8?
5 million.
Yes.
762,000.
It means the greatest period that I have now, which is million. So I will write million, the million period. After that we have thousand. After that we have ones. Each period is formed from 3 digits. Each period is formed from 3 digits. So what should I write for the first digit?
On the first digit, you write 5.
5. Where I will write 5? I will write 5 here, the ones or the tens or the hundreds?
Ones.
Ones, because I said only 5. I didn't say 50 or 500. It means there is nothing will be written at the tens. There is nothing will be written at the hundreds. Okay? Then if the number at the left, so cancel this number. Ignore this one. We will cancel this one. So we have only the first digit, which is 5 now. That's the first family or the first period. The second period, which is 762, will be written in 1,000. So how we write 762?
Yes.
How I will write? Just give me the digits.
7 in the hundreds place.
7. Then
6.
6. Then
6 here.
2.
And then 2.
Okay. 111. So how can I write 111?
Yes. 1,
1,
1,
1, 1. Okay, thanks. Who can solve the next one? The next one, Majd. Majd. Majd, can you solve number 9? Number 9. Majd, can you solve number 9? Majd is not here. Okay. Abdul Latif. Abdul Latif Zubair. Abdul Latif. Can you solve number 9? Abdul Latif, can you solve number 9? Even Abdul Latif is not here. Okay. Abdullah Najm, can you solve number 9?
And number 9?
Yes. We have the number in expanded form and we need to write it in standard form. What is the greatest family that we have, or what is the greatest period that we have? The greatest number that we have. In which period?
1,000.
In 1,000 periods. So we have 2 periods now. We have the 1,000 period and the ones period. Each period is formed from 3 digits. Each period is formed from 3 digits. What should I write here in 100,000? Is there anything? It's called 100,000.
1,000.
What is the number I have to write here? Is there anything with 100,000? This number? Is there 100,000?
6.
6 in 100,000. Is there anything in 10,000 place?
80,000.
80,000. So I'll write 8 in 10,000. Is there in? It's called 1,000. So like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and so on. Is there anything here is called 1,000? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 9,000. Is there any 9,000?
4.
That's only 4. I didn't say 4,000. I just say 4. 4 only. So 4 will be written in which place? 4 without zeros. It's mean in which place?
In ones.
In ones. So there is nothing in tens, so I will replace it with 0. There is nothing in hundreds, even there is nothing in 1,000. So the number now will be written as 680,004. You got the idea for this one? Is that clear? Okay. So we need another one to solve this one. Taki, can you solve number 10?
Yes, teacher.
Number 10.
Yes. Yes.
We have 2 families now, or 2 periods. The 1,000 and The ones. Each period is formed from 3 digits. How?
20,000 here. 1 minute. Yes, teacher?
Yes.
20,000 here.
Here
and,
where?
1,000.
In which place in thousand?
In the
That is
thousand.
all of. That's all in thousand. Which place in thousand? In the ones or the tens or the hundreds?
The hundreds.
Why 100? I say 200 or 20,000. 200,000
Tens.
or and tens. It means there is nothing in the 100 place. Okay. Then 9 will be written in which family or which period? We have 2 periods, the 1,000 period and the ones period. No, the period is 1,000 and million. For each period there is ones, tens, and 100. So where I will write the 9?
In the hundreds.
And the hundreds, okay. Then 7, 70. Where I will write the 7?
In ones. In the tens.
And the tens. Where I will write 6?
In the ones. In the ones.
And the ones. So the missing, there is 1 digit missing, which is 1,000. I will replace it with 0. We'll replace the missing with the 0. You got the idea for this one?
Yes.
Okay. So I need another one to solve. Number 11. Number 11. Number 11. Yahya. Yahya, can you solve number 11?
Yes.
Okay.
It's 9 million.
9 million. It means the Greeks family that we have or the Greeks period that we have, which is million. So where I will write the million? I will write 3 family. Million, 1,000, and ones. That is the ones family. That is the 1,000 family. That is the million family. Each family is formed from ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. So where I will write 9?
You're gonna put in the ones in the million.
Ones in the million. Okay. 9 in the ones. It means there is nothing before 9.
Yes.
2 will be written in.
After 9.
After 9, it will be in 100,000. 1,000 will be written.
2, and after that there's a 0 and then
There is a
1.
0, then 1. Okay. Then 5 will be written.
502.
502. Please, if you didn't finish, please write this part in your book. If you finish writing, raise your hand. If you finish writing, raise your hands. Okay, have you finished? So we'll go back to the next one. Okay. So who can solve with me number 12? Who can solve with me number 12? Number 12. Raza, Ahmed Raza. Number 12. I need to write this number in expanded form.
400,000.
400,000 plus
80,000.
80,000 plus
5,000.
5,000 plus
800.
800 plus
30.
30. So I need another one to solve this one with me in a word form. Yusuf? Yeah, Yusuf?
Yes.
How we can write this one in a word form?
What's that?
Yes, number 12. Number 12. I need to write this number in a word form.
4 million.
That's not million. We have 2 families or 2 periods. That is the ones, that is the 1,000. So read this number at the first, then write 1,000. Then after that, read the second part. So
4,000.
no, read this number inside the circle at the first. Read this number.
4,058.
Read this number. Read this number. Can you read this number?
458.
For what?
450.
Yes, 400.
Yeah.
80.
50.
No, 80.
80.
85. 85 belongs to which family or which period? To the 1,000 period. So 485,000.
1,000. 8.
Then read the
85.
second part. Read the second part. That's the second part. What's the second part?
830.
830. 830.
30.
Okay. Thanks. I need someone to solve number 13 with me. Majd. Majd. Number 13. I need the expanded form.
3 million
3 million. Yes. Plus.
plus 29.
No. I need the value only of 2. Leave 9. Digit by digit. Value of digit by digit. Not the period by period.
20.
20,000.
20.
Yes. 20,000 plus. What is the value of 9 after that?
9,000
9,000 plus the next one.
plus 200
200 plus
5
no
550
50 plus
1.
1. Okay. So who can solve the next one? I need Najm. Abdullah Najm. Abdullah Najm to write the word form for this one.
3 million.
3 million. Hmm?
20,000.
No. Read this number. We have 3 parts. The first part is 3 and million. The second family, which is 29 and 1,000. Then we have the last family, which is 251. So read the first one. You just say 3 and million. The next one.
29,000.
Yes, 29,000.
251.
200. 51.
1.
Any problem now to convert between the numbers? If you have any problem or anything you didn't understand, please raise your hand. Please raise your hand if there is anything not clear. Raise your hands now. If there is anything not clear, raise your hand. If there is anything that you didn't understand, raise your hand. Maher, what's the problem? What's the problem that you have?
It says 4. It says 400,000, but over here it says 485,000.
Which one?
Number 12.
Number 12. You talk about the one with the black or with the blue?
The black one. It
The
says
black one, it's expanded form. Expanded form, I just
Yeah.
write the value of each one. The value of
It's-
4 is 400. The value of
But I'm-
8 is 80. The value of 5 is 50. What?
I'm talking about, it says 400,000, but over here it says in the blue one 485,000.
Because that's a different way to write the number. If you remember, we have 3 ways to write the number. The first way, that is like the question. This way is called a standard form. This one is called standard form. The standard form, I just write the digits beside each other. The second one is called expanded form. What is the expanded form? I just write the value of each digit. What is the value of 4? Is 400. Plus, what is the value of 8? Is 80,000. Plus, what is the value of 5? Is 5,000. Plus, 800. Plus, 30. The last one is called the word form. How you read the number, then express what you read in words, not in digits. That's the difference between them. In expanded form, I'm dealing with only one digit. What is the value of this digit? Okay? Is that clear? If you have any question, please raise your hand. Muhammad Asim, what is the question?
Sir, I was asking that I am not sure about the I don't know what like the expanded form, like it's a bit too hard to write like from plus plus.
No, that is the way to
write
write.
exact.
That's the way to write the expanded form. Just write the value of each digit, then put plus between them. That is the expanded
Sir,
form. Deal with each value. In the first lesson, we just say what is the value of 4, you write 400,000. What is the value of 8 is 80,000. Then write plus between them, that's all. Okay?
Thank you.
Abdullah Muhammad Asim, what is the question?
Yes.
What is the question?
I don't have any question.
Okay, but you raise your hand again one more time.
No.
Majd, what is the question?
Can you go down to the word form in 13?
Okay.
I
Down.
wanna write.
Okay, that's the last one. Okay. Maher, what is the question? What is the question?
Question the same as Ned said. I also needed to see word form
Okay.
of 13.
That's okay now?
Yes.
Okay.